to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. I'm sorry I haven't been around for a few weeks. I've not been too well. I strained me back. Well, first of all, I strained me back when I was pulling weeds in the garden. I've had really bad headaches for a few weeks. I couldn't even come up here and sew while my back was bad because it hurt too much. So I basically allowed a week to rest it. Come on then, Mason. And so now I'm kicking back in doing videos. My face may look funny, and obviously my mouth. I lost my front 4 teeth years ago, and I've had a plate. I lost a tooth several months ago, and the plate doesn't fit right. Now, because of this problem I've got with my teeth now, I could go to the dentist and get another plate, and then it fits fine, and a couple of months later a tooth falls out and it doesn't fit again. So I need another plate, and seeing as they're coming up to £300 a go, I'm not going to bother with it. The only thing is, obviously talking to camera is a bit on the difficult side. So I'm seeing how it is without it. Once my back was feeling a bit better and I got the headaches and dizziness and nausea, I was able to take my mind off it by doing some paper piecing. Well, by doing some patchwork. This is a pattern. This will be the cover for my sofa that you sit on. The pattern itself is from Missouri Star Quilt Company, and Jenny Damon did it, and obviously I've quilted it up how I wanted it to quilt. As you can see, it's split in the middle, and that's because that's where the seat's going to go. My sofa is a recliner, so if I'm sitting one side and no one's the other side, if I lift it up, this side is going to come. So I've split it so that I'll be able to have just my side up and that side will be flush to the floor. So, and the quilt I've used in it, the batting wadding, is it's an old quilt that we used to have for the bed, but it's got rips and holes in, and it needed, well, I didn't use it, and with having the move around I found it, and so I thought I'm going to use it. It's not going to be seen, it's inside it, so it's gone in there, so I've used it. And but I'm now thinking of adding cottage ghost style, adding arms to it and making a complete cover, because Mason, get down. This is for the back of the sofa, and this is paper pieced. Paper pieced Mariner Star, paper pieced corners. I've done some other paper piecing, but yeah, they're underneath there. Yeah, the paper piecing are other people's designs, but the cornerstones are my own design, and I've made them. So I will be going through how I paper piece these together and how I come up with the design. So that's how it is at the moment. I've got to take off my markings where I've been quilting, and then add more wadding batting to it to do the sides. But it's kept me occupied while I've been bad. As I said, this is paper pieced, and done these, which are paper pieced. Whether they become cushion covers or arm covers, I don't know. Just wanted to have a go at it. This was somebody else's pattern and design, but I have done my own, so I will go through that with my own. But just a little quick thing to say, hello, I'm still here, and I'll get back in soon when I'm feeling loads better. Nearly there. Also forgot to tell you, the Ruth's Roses whole cloth quilt that I showed start to finish on my channel, I've entered it into a competition. I don't expect to get anywhere with it, but I should get hopefully some good comments and suggestions and ideas from the judges that are judging it. Because of what's going on with the virus, they're having an online virtual one, so you send photographs in rather than the quilt itself. And the class that I've entered into, I wouldn't be able to do it again at all, because I've entered in the novice class, which is you must have been quilting for less than 3 years. And I made my first quilt 2.5 years ago. I'm still within the quota time of it. Wouldn't be next year, so I thought I'll enter it. So we'll see how I do. Thank you. Bye.